We are taking a scan for this young child today who has many of his milk teeth present in his mouth. He's just 10 years. He has a lot of his permanent teeth to erupt. Give him Invisalign first aligners because we have noticed that his arches are a little restricted, which can cause a little restriction in the permanent teeth to erupt. When we analyzed him, arches are narrow, and so when the permanent teeth they can come crowded. So at this age, when the child is yet growing, his jaws are developing, we can give him the advantage of growing the jaws. So for these Invisalign first aligners, these are very convenient for kids to wear because they are removable. They can eat whatever they want. They are very convenient to wear. There's nothing restricting the tongue, so there's no changes in the pronunciation that he has to get used to. There's nothing that is stuck in his mouth for few months. This is removable, absolutely easy to clean, so more hygienic. So if the child is compliant in wearing the aligners, can be monitored, then this is the best thing you can give the child to develop his jaws in case there is space restriction for the permanent teeth to erupt. Likewise, we have many other appliances. When we observe that the child needs space for his permanent teeth, we have appliances that actually remove the pressure from the cheeks and the surrounding structures that help develop the jaws, reducing the severity of the treatment required on a later date for him.